I am changing, trying every way I can. I am changing, I'll be better than I am. I'm trying to find a way to understand, but I need you, I need you, I need a hand. I'm changing, seeing everything so clear. I am changing, I'm gonna stop right now, right here. I'm hoping to work it out, and I know that I can. But I need you, I need a I'm getting my life together now. I'm changing. Yes, I know. I'm gonna start again. I'm gonna leave my past behind. I'll change now.
Well done, Liz.
Oh, honestly, Danny's going to be my daughter one. Mark, that's going to be our daughter one day. How excited are we? That was amazing, mate. Well done. Oh, and as you can see, guys, this is why she's a representative. This is the standard we have here at Talent Search Cymru. Can I have another round of applause, please?